everyone, it's great to see you. Today I will share with you how to crochet a butterfly like this. It's very simple to follow. You will need 3 different colors of yarn. Choose any colors you like. And matching crochet hook. I'm using 2mm yarn and 2.5mm hook along with scissors and yarn needle. Start with white yarn for a butterfly's innermost layer. Make a magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Count at 1 double crochet, remember that. Then 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Repeat cluster at 3 double crochet and chain 2 6 more times. Slip stitch into the first chain of the starting chain 3. Cut the yarn and put the magic ring tight. Row 2, crochet middle layer. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Count at 1 double crochet, remember. In the same space, crochet 2 double crochet, 1, 2. We got 3 double crochet here. Chain 2, 1, 2. And 3 double crochet more, 1, 2, 3. And repeat the pattern, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Repeat this for all the chain 2 space from row 1. Slip stitch into the first chain of the starting chain 3 to complete the row 2. Now we got 8 cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Continue crochet outer layer, take the yarn into the space between any 2 cluster from row 1. In the chain 2 space of the cluster, crochet 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 6 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet into the space between the next 2 clusters from row 2. Now repeat 6 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 double crochet, followed by 1 single crochet into the next space. Continue this pattern for the remaining chain 2 space. Now we got 8 clusters. Cut the yarn and weaving the ends. Use the dark pink yarn to create a chain of 35 stitches. Tie a chain around the center of the butterfly to shape its body, leaving the ends of the chain at the antennæ. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to catch our next video.